Hi fans, this is Candy from Auto Refrigeration. Today I'm going to supply you a introduction about our greenhouse climate control system. The greenhouse is special for growing for many kinds of plants like vegetables, fruits, flowers, cannabis. Proper humidity and temperature can help our plants grow well. How to achieve desired temperature and humidity? This is why we introduce our greenhouse climate control system to you today. It is special designed for greenhouse climate control and how to make your plants grow healthy. Altaqua indoor growing climate system will take out the water from the air and return the desired temperature and relative humidity properly. It will create an uniform optimal climate condition inside the greenhouse, effectively reduce the plant's disease and pesticides consumed, which guaranteed more yield and better quality, with more than 50% energy saving at the same time. It has 4 main operating modes. First is the dehumidification only, and the second is dehumidification with heating, and the free run is the dehumidification with air conditioning, and the last one is the air ventilation only. Besides the above standard functions, our dehumidifier also provides LED glow light on timer setting, CO2 generator on and off signal, and more functions can be customized according to your requirements. Our climate control system capacity range is from 4 tons to 64 tons. This is the model of G05T. Total cooling capacity is 5 tons, vertical design. The heating capacity is 14 kW. Sensible cooling capacity is 9.9 kW. It is integrated with 2 parts, the indoor unit and outdoor condenser unit. As we can see, this unit uses refrigeration technology to control the indoor humidity level and temperature. This is the return air damper. The humidity air come back from the indoor will enter the dehumidifier here, and then this red air will pass through the evaporator. The moisture inside the air will condense to the water. Then water will be collected by this stainless steel tray and drained away. If we need the warm, dry air, we will introduce the hot gas to go through this indoor condenser, and the dry air will be reheated before returning to the indoor space as warm, dry air. If we need the cold, dry air, we will introduce the hot gas to go through that outdoor condenser, and the cool, dry air will return the indoor space without being reheated. Now let's check how to control the climate control system. As you can see, we use Siemens PLC controller with touchscreen HMI system. And the control software is developed by our engineer and can be custom-made according to your requirement. For example, change to your language and so on. It's very easy to operate our climate control system. In auto running mode, you only need to set your target temperature and humidity, then the units will run automatically until achieve both of goals. In manual running mode, you can set different functions in different time periods to have precise climate control for plants. In order to guarantee the accurate and reliable control, we use the best quality electric parts, including Siemens PLC modular, Schneider contactors, thermal relays and breakers, and so on. Okay, now let's check how the refrigeration circuit works. This is the engine of the dehumidifier, the scroll compressor of Panasonic, which is one of the best compressor brands. As we all know, compressor is the most important part of the refrigeration circuit. So we only use the best brands compressors, including Panasonic, Coupland, and Danvers, and Bissell, and we offer 1 year's warranty for these quality reliable compressors. The high temperature and high pressure gas will come out from the compressor to the condenser. We offer 2 condensers in this climate control system in order to executing 2 different operating modes. If we want to supply the warm, dry air, we will control the hot gas to go through the indoor condenser. And if we want to supply the cool, dry air, The hot gas from the compressor will go through the outdoor condensing unit. These two condensers are made of high-quality copper pipe and aluminum fins, which covered with anti-corrosion coating. And this is the four-way valve from Sanhua, the biggest supplier in China, which helps us to switch the flow paths between these two condensers. This is the thermal expansion valve from Danvers, which will control the gas flow accurately according to the superheat of the evaporator outlet. The gas will be changed to no temperature and no pressure gas-liquid mixture after the expansion valve and then enter the evaporator. This evaporator is also made of high-quality copper pipe and aluminum fin with anti-corrosion coating. Here, the cold gas will absorb a lot of heat from the humidity air and condensate the water to the stainless steel trait from the moisture. At the same time, the gas-liquid mixture will be vaporized back to gas and then sent back to compressor. Then a new cycle will repeat again from the compressor. In order to guarantee this refrigeration cycle run well, we will integrate some high-quality refrigeration accessories. This is the oil separator from Amazon, which can separate the lubricant oil from the gas and return it back to compressor. And this is the Section 9 accumulator, also from Amazon, which prevents liquid refrigerant flow back to damage the compressor. This is the Amazon Liquid Night Filter Dryer, removing the moisture and the very small particles from the refrigerant before entering the expansion valve. And this is the liquid receiver. It will store excess liquid refrigerant between condenser and expansion valve. We also integrate the high pressure switch and no pressure switch at the discharge side and suction side of the compressor. And they will feedback the signals to control to stop the compressor when the gas pressure reaches to the limit levels. Besides the gas pressure protection, more protections are integrated to guarantee the low worry operation, including phase protection, overload protection, compressor auto protection, bed motor auto protection, and so on. And 1 year free warranty is supplied with the unit, and you can pay for longer warranty time if you need. For convenient maintenance and service, we also install the pressure gauges to monitor the gas high pressure and low pressure. These gauges are from the international famous brand Refco. Altaqua climate control system is the ideal solution to supply a total climate control for greenhouse, from basic dehumidifying to air heating, air conditioning, and fresh air ventilation. If you want to know more details about our climate control system, please contact our professional sales team.